मोटिवेशनल काफी बातें से डॉक्टर उमा शर्मा आपसे बात करने आई हूँ कि आपके द्वारा बनाए गए इतने सारे खिलौनों के बारे में आपसे कुछ प्रश्न करना चाहती हूँ.
Okay, by all means.
Thank
I'm
you
very
so
happy.
much. I have so many questions about your doll show. How you do this and what are all the thoughts behind this? I want to ask a number of questions, Uncle. Really, they
By
are
all
very
means,
nice.
you can. No problem.
How you will do that faces and the structure will give that to particular thing, Uncle. With the paper, how can you create a person? Please, can you tell me?
But I used to see some videos and old Mysore Dasara, how they are celebrating,
Okay.
what type of dresses they wear.
Okay.
That those things I will keep it in mind, and I'll convert this out of waste paper and using some color paper with this like this.
Excellent.
So I used to bring all best I possible the facial expression.
Yes, yes,
Police
yes.
wala means he should like that.
Yes.
And soldier means he should like that. And elephant.
Can you
all
tell me that
decoration.
particular Ambari you were telling?
This is the golden chariot in Mysore Palace. So with that same replica I have done this one
Oh,
by using the cardboard box, sweet box, and also this pillar. I will convert it in this uh, what you perfume package.
okay, okay.
Out of the perfume cabinet, I create these pillars.
Super.
So, and I need only gold papers and whatever the papers I will purchase in bazaar,
Okay.
and I will use it a suitable color for that.
Excellent.
So this is one aspect. This is another aspect. Village. If I go to some village marketplace and other things, that snake wala is there. So that concept I wanted to create it. And
Okay.
if you go for Mahabharata,
Okay.
so important characters, Mantralochana Sabha, this is called.
Okay.
Before dice,
Uh-huh.
Pandavas and Kauravas, before playing the dice, there is one meeting out of Kauravas. That event I have done it out of the paper.
Total
These are
paper
all
only.
total paper. That is Deccan Herald paper or any waste paper.
Okay.
And I need Fevicol for that and a
Uh-huh.
scissor, color paper. That's all.
How much time you took for this, Uncle?
This is
to
when
do
Corona, when the Corona, it will take about 6 months for me.
total?
Total, all dolls,
Very nice.
6 months.
Okay.
And this year I have done the Ramayana.
Okay.
That's the Ravan
Okay.
having the 10 heads, and Anjana, that is Hanuman, and giving some advices.
Oh,
And here Vibhishan
Vibhishan is
sitting on
sitting.
throne, and Kumbhakarn, he has got 6 months sleep, 6 months awake.
Correct.
So with that concept, when he was sleeping, what was the state of affairs is,
Okay.
and the people want to wake up, they used to bring the
So much food and all.
so much food on the car, and elephant is roaring, and to wake up.
Yes,
And here
yes.
Saryu Nadi,
Yes.
Saryu river, the Guha,
Ah.
he is crossing the Ram, Lakshman and Sita to other bank of the
Yes,
river.
yes, yes.
So these are the items.
He's an important character in
character
Ramayana.
in the Ramayana.
Yes, sir.
And some more events are there. Time is very short.
Yes,
This
yes,
is
yes.
Brahma Rathotsav. I have seen
They
in
totally
Sringeri.
made by paper only.
A paper and part of the wheel and everything are wooden.
Okay.
The remaining is paper, cardboard.
Okay, okay.
This is purely wood. That is wood, waste wood. This is coconut
Shell. Oh,
So this
okay,
is
okay.
coconut shell, and this is wood. That
Okay.
is cardboard.
Excellent,
So,
excellent.
these are some more.
Can you tell me, Uncle? Sit down. Can you tell me to the present youth? See, they feel that only taking money and buying a new doll and keeping it's a different thing. And can you elaborate how can we add our creativity to a Dasara doll show? So how it makes you feel to keep all these dolls when you created and you keep now that time? What is the special thing you are adding to the doll show?
One thing I want to, as far as possible, what the youngsters, particularly children,
Yes,
they used to further carry our cultures.
correct.
So we wanted to bring that old epics by showing these dolls. They can understand well more
Correct.
than the reading and other things. So they are, by creating these dolls, the memory will have permanently for the children's mind.
Correct, correct.
So instead of reading book. Reading books is other way of learning.
Correct.
This is how the small children will also have attract this one.
And I think you are giving a beautiful message to all the younger generation that the pollution day by day we are increasing. We are throwing all the things, unnecessary things. That and all you are making. We'll call it in Kannada kasadinda rasa.
Kasadinda rasa,
So that you are doing, and you are giving a best example what we can give to our nature back.
Yes.
So you are not at all wasting a single paper or any other thing, and you are giving back to in a beautiful form.
Exactly.
So this is the best example for the viewers, whomever is watching this.
Yes, yes.
Really, I am so much happy to see you and the doll show. So much it is inspiring, and this video should go viral, and many people will started doing all these things after you. And in the next episode, I will try to come and take the video how you will do that picture and all the dolls and all demonstration. Maybe so many people can continue this journey. At least we can also give a support to the pollution-free society.
Definitely. So one thing I wanted to add in this,
Please.
see, we are always talking about Chinese are very intelligent. They don't waste anything. We can also, being an Indian, we can apply our mind for creative things. You can take all the waste material instead of, as madam told me, instead of throwing and creating a pollution, we can make use of this a beautiful shape we can give for the waste materials.
Correct.
That is my idea. That's all.
Excellent.
This I learned from the younger age itself. So I thought this is a new creation. That's what I have done.
So next, what is your next idea or thought
I
to create?
wanted to bring that one thing, that is Shakespeare drama. That is a very Merchant of Venice court scene. I wanted to do it.
Oh, okay,
That
okay.
one, that is my one. Another Macbeth.
Okay.
Like that, because recent generations
Like
they
that.
learned in the college and
Yes,
they
yes.
studied in schools and everything. If I do one or two events like
Okay.
that, history based,
Yes.
so that is another added attraction for that.
Yes.
That I wanted to do it. Let me see
Very nice.
how the time will permit.
Very nice. It's very glad to meet you, and I am lucky to see all these dolls. Thank you very much for this opportunity. And thank you. And some other day I'll come for the demonstration so that our viewers also should learn, Uncle.
Thank you.
Thank you so
Thank you,
much.
madam. Thank you.
Thank you.
God bless.